Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from ASTROLUX. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this light of theirs. They come in different colors as far as the body is concerned. You've got 9,000 milliamp battery pack that's built into it, and up to 1200 lumens of light output on this little guy. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. This is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this box. And user manual's in the bag. So you can see here, pretty simple on the user manual. This is not a difficult item to use. You have one USB Type-C charging cable. There it is. It's actually got some weight to it. ABS plastic. It's got a COB LED there in the center. Let's go ahead and show that to you now. And it's got some additional LEDs around the perimeter there. I like the way this is, so if it's up front and you drop it forward, these things you can bang around. I've got quite a few of them. You can adjust the angle, so if you want to paint a wall, that's what I've used them for in the past. Show a huge area at once. Now this is magnetic, I believe, so let me grab my handy dandy little knife. Oh yeah, that is super strong. Now my knife is not a perfect flat surface, and the other magnet's not even being used, and it's holding its own weight. So that's super strong on that. Dual magnets, and you've got a tripod mount there that you can mount it onto a tripod for an area light. It's pretty nice. And you can also clip it there onto something there, probably to hang it upside down, maybe in a tent. Yeah, this would be ideal to work on your car. I use these darn types all the time. Let's take a look here at the back. Now I don't see quite a few different angles you can do, straight up and down if you want. These things are very rugged. Yeah, let's take a look here. Here's the power bank port, and you've got the charging port there. Now it looks like we've got a power button, and it looks like plus and negative, so I guess you can dim it. Well, normally I would open it up and show you the insides, but this is a sealed unit. So now let's go through the UI. Turn it on here. First click activates it. Fully charged there. Battery level indicator there. Nice, bright. So it looks like you click at one time and you have to press and hold to turn it on. There's a little bit of a delay. Cool white. Oh, warm white. Nice. So you got the best of both worlds, and you've got the combination of them both. There's the red LEDs on the outer edge. Got SOS. So you could use this as an emergency light. And we're right back. So now we're going to dim it using the other switch there. Press and hold that so you can dial right in at the right light output that you want. There's no PWM that I could see, so that's excellent. And that's the bright as it goes there. So let's see the other temp if we can do that. Yep, dialing down. So if you like cool white, or if you want the warmer temp, you've got it right here all in one light. Combination of both. Ramping that up and down. I love ramping. And we'll click it again. See if the ramping will work with the red LEDs. And it doesn't, so there's only one light output for those. And then of course we have this. Let me see if there's, nope. So it's just SOS, and then we're right back. So let's see if this has memory mode. I turn it all the way down, press and hold till it shuts off, and no memory mode. So just by default comes on the brightest, so you'll have to turn it down. And 9,000 milliamp battery. This thing should do great with one, running it for hours and hours. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the beam. I think this is on the highest output. Let me make sure. So I have to go all the way down and then back up. There we go. So you've got a nice warm white there. Let me grab the other one here. And then you've got the cool white. So I think it would be up to you if you're a photographer. Mount this on a tripod if you're needing more of a warm white. The beam is the same for the mixture of both, so you're getting more of a 5K. And then of course the red is a little bit different. Very similar to the zoom lights, but this does not have the ability to do so. Press and hold, shuts it off on any level or light temp that you have it on. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward. Easy to operate this. Got the ability to use it as a power bank. So great for camping if you want to take it with you. You can even hold it like this flashlight and grip it pretty good actually. And just hold that as you're walking. Show a huge area at once. Alright, well let's go ahead and take this out to my garage and let's see how it does. We are out here in the darkness of my garage with the ASTROLUX work light power bank. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Got good battery power. And voila. Look at that. Way out to the sides, just a huge wall of light from ceiling to floor, way out to the sides. I'm going to hit it again. We're going to show you the color temp. Just showing you at the highest output here right offhand. Impressive. Got the best of both worlds. Warm white or cool white, it's up to you. And that's with them combined. More of a 5K. Nice. A lot of light output on this thing. Then of course you've got the red LED. Now I'm going to turn it off and we're going to turn it back on. And we're going to dial it down a little bit here. I'll put it on the side so I can handle a little bit better. And we're going to dim it down here just so you could see that's the lowest. No PWM at all on any of the light levels here. And I like that because you could lower that down and get really good run time. And ramp it back up here. And that's the highest. A lot of light coming out of this. We're going to do the warm white there. I'll ramp it up here. Yeah, this is a man's world. Sorry, it's a little bit. We're in a heat wave. So the last 2 weeks have been over 105 degrees here, which is going to tie a record or we're going to break it. One or the other. We'll see this week. Hopefully we get more cooler weather. And now we're going to dial it down. And you could stop it on any light level that you want on the way down, but you got to go all the way down to the bottom in order to go back up. Again, good battery power. This has got 9,000 milliamp. Should be plenty. Now there's no other adjustments for the red LED, so I'll go ahead and end this little demonstration here now. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that little demonstration of this ASTROLUX work light. Does great. It's got a lot of light output here, up to 1200 lumens. The COB LEDs, very efficient. They run cooler than regular LEDs, so that's a huge plus. So you don't need a metal housing for it. The center LED on that is a COB as well, but it's smaller. You can kind of see the different color temps. You got the cool white's going to be around the outer edge, and then that warmer color there on the center. The fact that you have the best of both, a warm and a cool white, so if someone buys this and they don't like the cool white, they could use the warm white, and vice versa. So very nice concept. The build quality on this is very rugged. I'm not seeing any issues. Definitely looks different. I got this color because I'm kind of like green anyways. This is a little bit off of green, but it was the closest that I could get. And it's nice that they come additional color bodies, so that's nice. Now the ramping, well, you can dial right, just the right amount of light output that you need for whatever you're doing. That's a huge plus. The magnetic base, you can stick that to any metal surface, you know, around the house, working on the car, just hands-free it wherever you need it. Got a little clip here, we can hang it on a bag, maybe a backpack. The stand got more than enough ways that you can, stand that up on the ground. Tripod mount that. If you're a photographer, again, it's got a lot of options with that. Red LED, you could use as an emergency light as well. So that's also a nice feature. Built-in power bank, that's just a standard 2.4 amp, so it's going to be your standard charging rate. That's why I didn't even feature it here, because the test that I did just to evaluate it, it's just a standard rate. But in any case, it's got 9,000 milliamps, so you can kind of top off your cell phone, or if it goes dead completely, you can just power up your phone to make that emergency phone call. So, well, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this ASTROLUX to review. Now, remember, this is a complete kit, comes with everything you need to get started. I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code, and that should help you save some money on this work light, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these ASTROLUX work lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.